Hi everybody, so this is going to be the second project on the channel, a do-it-yourself car map. Here you can see a picture of all the supplies that we will need. I have a list of supplies that you will need: scissors, colored felt, any size rug, hot glue gun, glue sticks, a pen and a paper, and your imagination. What we wanted to do was first start off with places that my son wanted to be on his car map. Several places like a McDonald's, a car wash, a hospital, a castle, and then I wanted to do a rough draft of what we wanted the car mat to end up looking like. So I just did a rough draft. I cut out several black pieces of felt to create the roads, as you can see, and I laid them out to make sure that everything lined up. So you want to cut a lot of small squares, so whatever color you want for the little lines between your road. We put them onto the roads to just ensure that we had enough of the white pieces of felt to cover all of the roads that we had on the car map. Next, we created several buildings. So the first building that we created was the fire station, and then we went on to make a police station. Both of these were made by cutting different color felt into different shapes and then just kind of gluing them together. We then made a construction site because my son has several little construction toys that he likes to play with, so I wanted to make sure we had that as part of his car map. We also made a McDonald's because he likes to go to McDonald's with his dad sometimes, so we wanted to have a place for the cars to go to get something to eat. He also saw a castle on one of the car mats that we were kind of looking at for ideas, so we created a castle. And we also created a hospital because if anybody got hurt, we want to have a place for them to go, and he also has a helicopter that he likes to use. We also created a farm. This was the most extensive thing that I had to create on here because there were so many pieces to put together. But overall, this is a picture to show where I added a pocket for him to place his cars into. And we also have a stop sign and a stoplight that he can move around to different areas on the map. So just comment below and let us know if you made a car mat and what kind of things did you add to your car mat. Did you put a McDonald's? Did you put a farm? Or if you created something different, we would like to know. So please comment below, and thank you for watching. Now you can watch a video of Ethan playing with this car mat.